just the rig here, white holtprawn. Bit unconventional, but we got a stinger hook.
Look, stinger hook gone. Mate, I don't want to even guess how big that fish was.
Dude, these poons not f around. I actually got it to my feet. Oh. Yeah, tarpon. How did I lose that one? Hooks didn't pull. But these holtprawns, I tell you, I didn't try them the other day. I was using slim swims. These holtprawns are just instantly getting nibs. Yep. Dude. Yeah, okay. Chill. Chill. Yo. Holy fuck. I wish I brought my heavier setup, dude. This is f up. That's oh. Oh. Lost everything. Alright dudes, this time I didn't tie an assist hook, and it's not because I was lazy, because I just want to see if it's actually helping in my hookup. Like, I've hooked 2 in 3 casts. The other night I wasn't hooking as many and I didn't have any assist hooks. If I don't start hooking up, I'll tie another stinger. I'm just seeing if their behavior is different, or it's me rigging the stinger that's getting these hookups. That hit big tarpon on it, and yeah, see, it didn't hook up. I reckon the stinger might be the new strat, dudes. Oh. Yeah, nah, it's like they peck at it, but I'm not hooking up right now. I reckon those stingers, bro. I'm tying the assist hooks back. I just tied another assist hook. It's probably about time to hit up another blue light. I should have a heavier rod, to be honest. It's completely my fault when I get dusted. Oh no, it's got swiped by tarpon. Yeah, poon. Can you see that on camera, dude? Oh. It's only a small one. It's gonna jump. There he is. He wants to jump. There he is. Oh, it's not even a tarpon. There's a big tarpon behind him. Okay. Chill. Oh, there you go. This stinger hook is so handy with the tarpon, but not very fun with the bangers. Oh, big hit. Yeah, tarpon at my feet. Tarpon. Oh! Oh. You know what? I'm just gonna say nothing about that in the blue light. Ridiculous. Hit. Yeah, on. still has a lot of go. Okay. Oh. Just gonna do this. Don't mind me, Mr. Poon. Don't mind me, Mr. Poon. Hang on, dude. Hang on, dude. Let me just give you a bit of that. Yep, okay.
You hang tight, mate. Hang fucking tight.
I've actually hooked a tarpon in this light before. Yeah. Big poon. Yeah, it's a poon. Yeah, it's a poon. Not really pulling any string, but it's heavy. Why is it not going? Why is it not going? It's not. Why is it not going? This is so scary. Why is it not jumping? Or why is it not pulling any line? Dude, this is the weirdest fight. Yeah, it's a tarpon. Oh, it's tiny. Oh. It's a little mini tarpon. Look at this little baby. Come here, little baby. Look at the baby tarpon, dude. I just got a baby, guys. Look at the baby I just got. Look at the little baby. Little baby, 60 centimeter tarpon. So Zach, you pushed me to the point of tying an assist hook. So thanks for helping me land some tarpon with my two-legged holtprawn. Let's go. Yep. Mental. Oh, it jumped on the boat. It jumped on the boat. Oh, dude. It's another small one. Oh, just let me land you, mate. You're not that big. Oh. Just more chance for you to rub me. Just give it here, dude. Give me that leader. Yep. There we go. Right, is that footage good? Hopefully. Alright. Tarpon? Yep. Yep. Holy shit. Dude. Hell yeah, man. Hey. Oh, it's just dusting me. No, it didn't. Thought you got me on the pylon. Oh my god, it's still going. Fucking hell. Come here. Oh my god. Not actually that big. Oh. I can't grab the leader. Oh, it just rubbed me. It just rubbed me. It just rubbed me off. Dude, I'm wrestling the tarpon. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's so bad to get a photo. Yeah, my name's Jighead, bro.
Lucas.
Yeah, word. Nah. Holy f. That ate. Is he still there? He broke me up. That was a big tarpon. Shame, dude. I think that it's like, even with your rod in the water, the tarpon obviously don't fight low, they jump up and go high. So it would have been swimming just under that pontoon, and even though I had my rod in the water, my braid just would have been rubbing up on the pontoon, which is okay, right? I'm not complaining, just because I've caught a few solid ones, so you know, it's just about having fun. I'm not gonna have a whinge for losing a fish, except for that burn I lost last night. that thing was like an American poon.